Ikat mo lang siya, Hana. Wow.
That's
Bosphorus Bridge. Grabe kasi unique yun, no?
Grabe din ka-traffic.
We are going Asia from Europe. Grabe.
Happy siya, oh.
Siyempre.
Video pa siya. Ba't ka mag-video?
Wag
Alam mo yan. Wala ba itong smart brake system?
What? That's not.
Ganda kuha mo dyan, Hana.
Ganda masyado. Yung the best footage ever.
I-cut mo siya. Continue ulit. Pwede continue. Hindi, huwag mo ito masyadong matagal. 5 minutes. Mahirap i-edit eh. We are nearing Asia, folks.
There's petrol near our destination.
Okay.
Madami naman yan stopover along the way sa kanilang major roads, oy.
Marami yan.
Sa mga between cities nila. May mga...
Kinabahan na kami dun sa Taiwan. Almost ubus ba? Wow, grabe oh.
Ano ka scenic?
It's so scenic.
Ako, may mag-video nga.
Videos. Really? Huwag ka na magganyan. Hana, video already. Pwede yung video, Hana?
Okay lang? Or hindi pwede?
Pwede. Kasi papagutin yung
Dami nilang flag ng Turkey ba? Everywhere. You have to announce Turkey, we're in Turkey.
You might forget your interview.
Galing mo, record yung C.
Ano, Asia na tayo in less than a kilometer. Tuloy mo na, wag na iputo ang ganan niya.
But it's 201.
Dito sa gitna eh.
Medyo pa-start pa lang to ng bridge. Di ba? Sabi sa maps.
Okay.
Ako pa na mag-navigate.
Galing, no? Anong kawat mo pa?
Very nice. So we're coming from Europe.
Yeah, now
We're
one third
in
of the
Asia.
How's the car?
We're using a Toyota Corolla Hybrid with scratches.
Yung ano ba, yung nag-hit cargo ship na cook na Philadelphia Bridge. Scary? Or should be hiking?
Okay, we're halfway.
We're halfway.
We're more in Asia now.
I think this is the center ng bridge na to.
Medyo past na.
Ha?
We're past the center. Watching there. What's that big tower over there?
Oh no, looks like a telecom tower.
Naka-smart yan. Kalaki ng kanya. Pylons. Yung meters will be in Asia na.
We are already.
Welcome to Asia. Oh, nakalagay welcome to Asia.
Hindi.
Ang ganun.
Konti lang, mga ano. Super sinabi mo naman.
Yeah. This is Asia,
We're
guys.
above Asian soil already. It's the bridge like across.
Straight lang tayo na. Wala pang turn.
In 1.8 kilometers, stay right.
Stay right tayo.
1.8.
From Dika Temple, yung Temple.
It's a mosque.